Guys, welcome back to Altis channel. So today I'm going to show you how to change language on your Coinbase wallet. So let's get started. You open your Coinbase wallet. After that, click on this. This is how you when you log in, this is how it's going to take. So the next thing you need to do is click on this last button here, and after that click on this your settings jet icon. Then there's scroll down. When you scroll down, you're gonna see display. Click on display. So after that, click on, you can see your language is here. Click on language, and this is where you are able to change to any language that you want. But note, on Coinbase there are certain language that are available for you to choose. So there are some language that are yet available. So just go there. If you find your language there, just choose it and you'll be able to change to your preferable language very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.